Hey guys, welcome to your fifth Blogs for Students tutorial. Now, as you can see, we've got some nice content on our site now, so it's looking good, it's looking quite informative, but the problem is that we can't actually move between our pages. So all I can do is if I click on the title, um, it just takes me back to this page here where there isn't any information. So I need to fix that. So let's go to our dashboard, and what we're going to do is just create a menu. So if we go to appearance, now we're not going to click on appearance, we're just going to hover over it and we just look at the little drop down menu, and then just click on menus. Okay, now what we need to do is create a menu for a site, and we're going to call it, well, let's just call it menu. Okay, now we can add pages, but as you can see I don't have any pages yet. Now that seems a bit odd because we already created some, but the reason that they're not showing up there is because we haven't actually published them yet. So let's just save that, and then we'll go to all pages, and if we go to quick edit, we can just change the status to published. And we can just do that on each one. So as you can see, I've got 3 pages that are ready. And just publish that one. Okay, so all 3 of these pages are now published. So if we go back to menu settings, now we can see we've got these 3 pages here. So let's just select all 3 and then add them to our menu. Okay, so if we save that, and then we'll go and have a look at our site. So there we can see we've got some page headings up here. So we've got About Steinbeck, Of Mice and Men Part 1 and Of Mice and Men Part 2. So that looks pretty good so far. Okay, so if I go and just click on my main page there, now you see I've not got anything coming up here. About Steinbeck, that comes up. Of Mice and Men Part 1, that comes up as well. Of Mice and Men Part 2, that comes up as well. But if somebody just goes to my web page, instead of finding a home page, they're going to find this, and we need to fix that. So we can do that quite easily by just going into our dashboard, and we're just going to go to our settings, and I think it's general settings. I could be wrong. Okay, possibly reading. There we go. Okay, so your front page at the moment is set up to display my latest blog posts, but as I don't have any, I've got no information there. So instead, I want to choose a static page, and I'm going to choose for my front page, I can choose any of the pages I've created. I'm going to choose About Steinbeck. So if I just scroll down, save changes there, and now when I go back to my site, you can see that when I click on my home page, I get this About Steinbeck, and you can see if you look at the URL at the top there, steinbeckproject.wordpress.com, if anybody types that into their search engine, this is the page that they're going to get. We've got our other pages there, and so that all works. So that's how to set up your menus. Next time we will have a look at how to create some blog posts. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again.